Hi there, this is Fixed It. This is one of the other sensors, and you can see where the plastic's all cracked away. Now gluing it isn't that good because one of the problems is that there's a lot of flex in this. So as I squeeze one end, the other end sticks up, and if I squeeze the other end sticks up. So when you apply glue to it, what's going to happen is it's likely to start peeling off at one or other of the ends, which means you'll just have to apply more and more glue. The only thing you can do with these is to buy new ones. But replacement emotiv-insight sensor tips are $49.95 and then a very hefty $32.99 shipping, giving a total of $82.94, and for me plus UK import tax. So it's a very expensive replacement for something that, quite frankly, shouldn't just have cracked like this. This is wrong sort of plastic. So I'm going to show you my solution, which involves no glue. I hope you like the video. Thanks for watching. Bye.